Hello folks, welcome to my latest problem, steering. If you look at the banjo bolt connection for the brake, on full right turn, it's just missing it, right? Which is just about acceptable. However, on this side, banjo bolt, hits the axle. And also that tire's a wee bit close and I'd rather it wasn't rubbing against that brake line. So, after much head scratching and research, I got the answer on Ontario Rat Rods. One of the guys, I've forgotten his name, I do apologise. Basically, you do actually get a device for these old Ford Spindles, and basically this pin that secures the kingpin has a nut at the other side. And basically it's an elongated nut that comes out to about there. Now I could just weld something on, but it's going to mash against the bracket here. I would rather have something made of rubber, but for now I'm just going to make something because I really don't want to wreck my brakes at this early stage. Now I do have a box of lug nuts from various cars over the years, all sorts of shapes and sizes. And wouldn't it just be awesome if this guy was the right length and the right thread? Obviously that's important. The only thing I'll have to do is grind that down flat, but that could work absolutely brilliantly if it's the right thread, and that will solve my steering issue. I'll let you know how I get on. Would you believe I have nothing the same thread as this little nut? Years and years collecting lug nuts, all shapes and sizes, nothing is the same as this. So it's probably because these are all from Japanese cars, so they're all going to be metric, and this is obviously imperial. So I guess it's back to the original idea of welding a dome onto this nut. Now I originally thought about using this one because it's nice and shiny. Unfortunately it's not going to stay shiny for long, because when I weld it it's going to lose that and it will just start rusting. So I've opted for this little guy here, and then I can just paint it black. Plus it's more domed at the top, which is nicer, no sharp edges. So I just chop this down to size, stick it on top, weld it up, cross my fingers it's the right length, otherwise I'll need to do it all again. Yeah, that's coming soon. Whole fuse panel and relays and all that yummy exciting electrical stuff. But I'm just waiting on a proper distribution block with a lid over the top. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, let's get on with this steering issue. One side done. That's how it started. Had to cut off quite a lot actually, right up to here. So that's all gone. Weld it onto the original nut. So I'll just give it a wee paint it black, bolt it on. Should be fine. Let's see how it works. Right, let's see how they work, or if they work. Here's the first one. So the problem, remember, was that this was hitting off of the front axle. Okay. So I've left a reasonable amount of room there, just in case this little guy wears. And then I've got plenty of wiggle room. Other side. Pretty much the same, except I've got all this in the way. Oh my god, where is it? Yeah. And as before, I've got room. Oh, I'm sorry. I've got room for the banjo bolt not to hit, and there's a nice gap there for the brake cable. So, all in all, easy fix. Pretty much free. I think these things to buy are like $20 or $30 just for a couple of long nuts. It's kind of stupid, but oh well. I think they look okay. I think the main thing is you don't realise that they're even there you know, so that's fine. Okay, on with the next thing, which I think is going to be the electrics. I need to get the electrics sorted properly, so I'm going to be making a fuse panel and relay box thingy soon. See ya.